Okay ma, see the next problem. Show that u is equal to 2 log x square plus y square is harmonic and find its harmonic conjugate. In the problem lage undi, but function u marchunnaru. Solution: given u is equal to 2 log x square plus y square. Then we see the dou u by dou x and dou square u by dou x square. Okay, harmonic means dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square 0 అని చూపించాలి. So first we find the first derivatives, then second derivatives. For this purpose, what is the formula of log function ma? What is the formula of log function? Okay ma, u is 2 log x square plus y square, derivative of log x is 1 by x. This is the formula. Dou u by dou x with respect to x derivative 2 constant. Log function means 1 by that function derivative. Kabatti log x square plus y square derivative 1 by x square plus y square, but derivative with respect to x. Again derivative this one, it is not x, other function kabatti danni malli differentiation cheyali. So dini x square ni with respect to x differentiation cheste we get 2x. Y square cheste adi constant kabatti 0 don't mention. So dou u by dou x is 2 constant. Log derivative is 1 by x square plus y square. Again this function derivative with respect to x is 2x. Similarly dou u by dou y, this is 2 into log function lo y undi kabatti 2 into 1 by that function x square plus y square. Differentiate with respect to y, we get only y square derivative 2y. These are the first derivatives. Now what is the second derivative? Dou square u by dou x square means this is in the form of u by v, 2 into 2, 4x by x square plus y square, u by v form, v square, v into derivative of x minus u into derivative of y. Okay, okay ma, derivative of u by v is uv dash minus vu dash by v square. Now see here, 2 into 2, 4x is numerator, u by v means by x square plus y square. See the derivative, v square, denominator lo v square means x square plus y square ke whole square. Next v into u dash, v is x square plus y square and 4x derivative, u is 4x kabatti 4x derivative 4 minus u ante 4x into v dash, x square plus y square derivative 2x. Similarly dou square u by dou y square use u by v form. Okay, u by v form you get this one. Next step, add these two, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. Adding these two, denominators are same, add the numerators. This is 4x square plus 4y square minus 8x square plus dou square u by dou y square means 4x square plus 4y square minus 8y square. You observe 4x square plus 4x square, 8x square minus 8x square cancel, 4y square plus 4y square, 8y square minus 8y square cancel. Totally the numerator becomes 0. 0 by anything is 0. So LHS is equal to 0. Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. So u is harmonic function. Then what is the next part ma? Find its harmonic conjugate. Find its harmonic conjugate. What is harmonic conjugate? V. We know that same as the previous problem. What is dv? Dou v by dou x dx plus dou v by dou y dy. Now by CR equations, dou v by dou x is minus dou u by dou y dx plus in place of dou v by dou y, dou u by dou x. Substitute here dou u by dou y. What is dou u by dou y ma? This one, 4y by x square plus y square. Substitute here plus dou u by dou x. What is dou u by dou x? This one, 4x by x square plus y square. See the next step, after substitution we get this value. This is the dv. On integration, RHS, LHS, integral dv means v. On integration you get v values. Okay. Now integrate ma, we get dv is equal to minus 4 integral y dx, constant బయట పెట్టేస్తున్నామమ్మా, xy ఫంక్షన్ మొత్తం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్లోకి వెళ్ళాలి. integrate on both sides, we get minus for constant integral y dx minus x dy by x square plus y square. This is the formula for derivative of tan inverse y by x. This is the formula for derivative of tan inverse y by x. Now integration differentiation, so we get original function ante cancel anukondi meer manaslo. Okay, then we get v is equal to minus 4 tan inverse y by x plus c. Now what is the function here? This is the conjugate of given function u. Okay, okay ma. Now we go to the next problem. Find the value of k such that f of xy x cube plus 3k xy square is harmonic function. What is the question here ma? Find the value of k. K value find out cheyamantunaru. Ela undanta function f of xy is this one already given, is harmonic function. So ee function harmonic aithe meer k value kanukondi. We know the function is harmonic. You given as the function is harmonic. Function is harmonic means it satisfies the Laplace equation. Okay, see this one solution. This is given function f of xy. Indaka u annaru, ippudu f annaru ante. Find dou f by dou x with respect to x derivative. What is that? X cube derivative with respect to x is 3x square plus 3k constant, y square constant, x derivative is 1. Kabatti 3k y square. Similarly, dou f by dou y with respect to y derivative, there is no y, first term is 0, plus 3kx constant, y square derivative 2y, totally 6kxy. So these are the first two derivatives with respect to x and with respect to y. Then second derivative, dou square f by dou x square. And again this equation differentiate with respect to x. It becomes dou square f by dou x square, and this derivative is 6x plus 3k constant, y constant. So totally it is 0. So dou square equation ni differentiate again on both sides with respect to f. We get x, we get dou square f by dou x square is 6x. This is dou f by dou y. Differentiate on both sides with respect to y. We get dou square f by dou y square. It is not u ma. This is f. Okay, you remember it. You recognize it. Dou square f by dou y square is with respect to y kabatti 6kx constant, y ni cheste 1 ma. Okay, now see this one. Given f is harmonic function. F is harmonic function means we have dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square is equal to 0. Okay ma, dou square f by dou y square is 6kx. So here the given function is harmonic. You assume given function is harmonic. Dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square is equal to 0. What is dou square f by dou x square? 6x plus dou square f by dou y square is this value, 6kx is equal to 0. Now 6x is common, then you get 1 plus k is equal to 0. Here x is not equal to 0, so 1 plus k is equal to 0, which gives k is equal to minus 1. Once we see the problem, here the problem is different. Find the value of k such that function f is harmonic. Suppose function is harmonic, then find k. That is the question. So function is harmonic is given part. So we get dou square f by dou x square, dou square f by dou y square is equal to 0. Substitute these derivative terms, we get k value. So the question is find the value of k. So we get k is equal to minus 1. Okay.